ladies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today is, oh my god, it's such an exciting video. So for the longest time, I've been working on a little something, you guys. I decided to start a glitter company. The name of my company is called GlamourEyesByChar, and I'll have it here. Thought that name would be a good one to choose because it can incorporate anything that's beauty related if I decide to expand, but for now it's just focused on glitter. I decided to create 3 types of glitter: a plain glitter, a chunky glitter, and a super chunky glitter. Hopefully there's something that will catch your eye. Most of my glitters, I do have 2 sizes, so a 5-gram jar and a 10-gram jar. So this is just a plain glitter. It's called Mad Magenta, and it's just plain. There's no chunks or anything, so if you're a beginner with glitter, it's a good one to start with. And I do have different colors too. I would highly recommend that you check out my site down below. I'll put it in the goodie box for you, so take a look. Then I have chunky glitter. This one is called Cinnamon Spice, and I'm wearing it on my eyes today. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Then I have super chunky glitters, and this one's called Ice Queen. So pretty, like, oh my god. So those are just a few of my glitters. I have a lot more. I have more, trust me. And I've even created some that I haven't posted yet. I'm leaving those till a little bit later, and gradually I'll launch more, and you know. But for now, that's good enough to get started. Things to know: right now I have a sale on because I just opened, so I have an opening sale. So the prices will change once the sale is over. I do ship to the US as well as, of course, in Canada. So Canada and the US for now. Who knows, maybe I will expand and make it more international, but for now, just within North America. For my people that live in the same city, I do offer a local pickup, so you can head down to the UPS store, and the address will be listed at checkout, and you can pick that up right away for a cheaper cost, better than, you know, waiting for it to be mailed to you. What else? Oh, I know. So because I'm just launching my business, I want to do a giveaway. One of you lucky winners will win one of my glitters. You can pick any size you want, whether it's a large one or a small one, whichever you want. You can pick a plain, chunky, super chunky, whichever one that you want. So take a look at my website and see which glitter catches your eye. I'm pretty sure they're all gonna catch your eye because they're just absolutely beautiful. And I'm not just saying that because it's my company, but they're all really, really pretty. I put a lot of my love into them, so I know you're gonna enjoy them. So take a look and see which one you'd like, and I'll send that out to you. So of course this giveaway is open to anyone that lives in Canada or the US. Some rules: of course you have to be subscribed, that's a given. And in the comments, all you have to do is let me know once you've gone to the site, let me know which one you'd like and why you'd like it. So the giveaway will be from now, of course, and it will end on the 25th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So you have 2 weeks. If you're under the age of 18, please have your guardian's permission, because I don't want to get into any trouble when I have to collect your information to send it out to you. But that's about it. Pretty simple rules. I'm not asking for you to do a whole bunch. If I could give you more, I so would, but I'm just starting out, honey. So yeah, maybe, you know, I'll do little spot giveaways to see if y'all are watching my videos. I'll throw some giveaways in there. So yeah, go ahead and check my site out. Let me know which one you like, and that's my news. I've been working on it for so long. I work full-time, so I get home at like 5, from 5 till like midnight. I'm making all these glitters. I think right now I have like 115 glitters in my inventory. It's a lot. There's like glitter all over my freaking table. Like there's glitter all over my floor. It's insane. So yeah, I'm rambling now. Don't forget to follow my Instagram page for my business. It's GlamourEyesByChar. I'll have it down below, as well as I'll have my Facebook page down below too. It's GlamourEyesByChar. Don't worry, I have all the links so you can follow them and check them out. You have to follow at least one because you need to keep updated when I post a new glitter, because I told you I got more up my sleeve. What you see on my site is not all that I have. So make sure that you follow one of those pages. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're a glitter junkie like me, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.